Okay, my friends, we're looking at lesson 3-7, and now our target is looking at like terms. And so like terms are the same variable parts. So I could have a y, I could have a 2y, anything that's connected to that y is going to be a like terms. And then simplify is one of those things where we're translating from English into math. If you see simplify, they're telling you to do something with the numbers. So that means that you're going to write an equivalent expression that has like terms all combined and no parentheses. So an example of that would be if I had x plus x plus x. Mathematicians, we like to simplify things. We like it neat and tidy. So instead of saying x plus x plus x, what could I do? I'm going to combine those like terms because they're all the same variable, and I'm going to say 3x because I would get the same number, and I can prove that by substituting. I can put in 2, my favorite 2, so if x is 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is going to be 6. I should write it down. Or I can say 3 times 2, and I also get 6. So I know that it's an equivalent expression. I could also use that distributive property and pull out and put some parentheses. So I have 2y minus y. They share those y's. So what I'm going to do is pull the y out. And if I did that, I'd have 2 minus 1, because we're going to pretend like there's a 1 in front of this y. And that would be multiplied by y. And then I could simplify this, so it could be y. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again, I could check it with a 2. So y equals 2. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 would be 3. Or I could say 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is also 3. So no matter what I do, I'm able to have an equivalent expression. If you're not sure, you can always choose a variable and put it in and substitute it just like we have been to double check your work. Precision, my friends, precision. Yep, I think that's, so let's take a look at this a little bit deeper. If I had 4z minus z plus z minus 2z, I'm gonna work left to right like I have been. 4z minus z will be 3z plus z minus 2z. So I'm going to come over here. 3z plus z is 4z minus, minus 2z. So 4 minus 2, I'm going to end up with 2z. Okay? So I'm just combining them like I would. We just don't know what that unknown is until the very end. All right? You are going to have to apply some of these, and we'll come together and look at those, but take your time. What can you always do if you're not sure? Put a substitute in for that variable and see if it's working, okay? Read the problems correctly. You're going to be applying them in the word problems, so it's not going to be easy, but I know you got it. All right, we will check your work and then start reviewing, because next week we will have our topic 3 test. Crazy.